Yo, stocks 5150. So we back this morning. Couple things happening already. We are waiting on PPI numbers to come in. And China, DJT is just made it to China with the doggone all-star team. He got Elon Musk, Tim Cook, um, Nvidia CEO. Everybody's over there. So anyway, back to these charts. We're up today, but we were up 500 on the day. Let's see. So PPI numbers today. All right. So point. Yep. Expecting a drop. So PPI numbers. We got core PPI forecast is point 0.3, and we got a 1 and a 1.4 for the PPI. So expect the market to drop again today. Yeah. So that's not good. So we're pulling back again today. And look at that. That's heavy. It's a heavy candle down. So not good data. But usual effect, greater than the forecast is good for the currency. So zero point 0.5 and it's a 1.4. Producer price index. All right, so we were up 700 or something on the day, and now we're down 3. Mm. Yeah, so we're good. So we were down, let's see, 834 yesterday. Not revenge trading, but be nice to get that back, get even. Yeah, over the week, down 4. Jeez. That being said, we're long and we're gonna stay long on this. This don't change nothing. Definitely got us a pullback happening right now though. So it could be another sell-off day today. So the question I have is, do I close this out now or do I wait? Like this P&L since I opened this is at 200. Let's see, go to the position and see where I'm at. I realized today 414. So I could go ahead and close this one out and take that as a win, or hold it and go for what my target is, which my target is up here. Target is 30, 29. I'll just hold it. I'm still green. We'll just hold it. Trying to see if we're gonna pull back up before we start. But PPI numbers, that's it. Forecast core PPI was forecast was 0.3, and we got a 1%. And PPI month over month forecast is zero point 0.5. We got a 1.4. That's three times as high. Three times as high. Red folder. That's the first that we've been that high. Not really, because we had a 3.3 one time and they had a zero point 0.8. Yeah, but a 1, that's. Phew. So the producer, so let's see what we got. Producer price index, final demand increase 1.4 in April, seasonally adjusted. The U.S. Bureau of Labor. This is all delayed. Also, this data, it's not current. So anyway, for April, final demand prices advanced 0.7% in March, 0.6% in February. The April increase is the largest advance since 1.7% March 2022 on adjusted basis. The index final demand rose 6% for 12 months at the end of April, and the largest 12-month increase since, moving up 6.4 in December. Wholesale price surge 1.4 in April. It's much more to be would expected. Yeah, so it is what it is, y'all. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? It's nothing that you can't do. At least not at the moment. If you want to do something at all. So right now we're pulling back. Part of me is telling me I should get out and just see what happens for the day. So let's do that. All right. I couldn't handle that drawdown. So we got out. We got 291 on the day. That's better than nothing. Better than nothing. Yesterday was terrible. Yesterday was 8. A down, a loss. So we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna get caught on the wrong side of this today. Yeah. Pull back all the way down to the 5. Let's see, what was this on the 4 hour? Get these out right quick. 513. This is yesterday at 12. All right, so put this on the daily right quick. Let's see where we at. That was yesterday. So right now we got us a shooting star on this daily chart pushing down. Yesterday we had us a hammer, bullish, pushing up. So I'm gonna do the levels like this. Boom for the top, and then boom what for the bottom. There's the tweezers at midnight, 2 o'clock, 8. Technically, that's from yesterday. That's yesterday's low. So today's low is this. We're making it now. And the high, that was yesterday's high. The high from last night is there. What is that? The high is 448. All right. So we're looking like on the 15 minute. 15 minute, we're still coming down, pulling back. This is due to the data. And we're gonna go long, try and get this to go back. Well, let's see what we got. That's on the 15 minute. We'll do that. Get to long here, play this back to the upside, and we'll see what we get. We get back up to what? 29 400, 29 440, 29 440. We got 29 239, 29 440. So we go for 200 points. And this might still be too early because the market hadn't opened yet. But would like for it to pull back up at least 29 400. 29 400 we could get. We could shake that off. 29 440. Or should I just go ahead? What is it? 29 430, 440 would be 8. 200 points, 229 440. Right there. So we'll go back target 29 440 upside. That's last overnight's high. That's our target back up. That'll give us 800. If we retrace and come back up. Yes. We'll see how it goes. All right, so that's it, man. Yesterday I was kicking myself because I went short. Remember, I was saying we should go short, yada yada yada, because of the data, and then it faked me out, and then I went long, and then this mug just collapsed. So this could be similar. It actually could be similar, but I would like to see there's a pullback, retrace back up into this level right here. Boom. That could be for the day. How many points? What was this range yesterday? Where is this? Let's see, price range. Put this on the daily. Yesterday's price range was 399 to 170, but the price range Where is it at? Price range. Fibonacci. Price line. Price. Where's price range at? Rate. Timeline. Ray. Channel. Range volume finder. Anchor view. Volume. Oval. Rectangle. Curve. Path. Price label no. Export. Retracements. Extensions. Price range. All right, what we got? 658 points. So we moved 600 points yesterday. So maybe we can move 600 points today, which would be what? If we move 600 points today, that would be, bring this up here to the upside, 600 points. If we move 300 points, that'll be 1.35%. Let's see something. Let's lock it in on that. Move that up out of the way. All right, so you want 29,456. All right, so 29,440. And the low here is 29.56. And 29,239. 29,239. That's 6.68%. We usually move about 1%. It's 200 points. So we can get a 1% move. Be 30,000. All right, we're still going down. Got a slight bounce, but not as much as we need. So it might be a repeat of yesterday because looks like we're still trying to pull down. I probably should wait till the market opens and then go into play. You know what I'm saying? Let's get a bounce here. Hold it. What's special about this level right here? Here, put hold. Pullbacks are nice. I mean, oil is high. DJT's over there meeting with China all week. I got a feeling. I got a feeling that I got a feeling that they're gonna stop the war. You know what I'm saying? Or we could literally go to 30,000 today. Or by the end of this week. So that being said, I'm gonna slide this up here to 20 to 30. Blue sky territory, yo. Look at that. We ain't been up that high at all. I mean, 7, but we already pulling back. And for no other reason than you just YOLOing. So we YOLOing to 30,000 every day until we hit it. Maybe it works out. Now, if it works out, I won't be able to retire, but we'll have 3K. Not my biggest trade, but YOLOing. All right, stocks 5150. I'm gonna go to sleep. We are down right now. Going back. Saw that PPI number, but I don't know. Let me look and see what we did last time. What did we do last time we had this number? Um, Last PPI number was April 10th. April 10th. April 10th was this day. We had a doji, and then we continued up. And April 10th, the PPI number was, oh, actually it was, wait, that's CPI. April 14th. April 14th was the last data that we had, and yeah, came out. We opened at 581 and we closed at 996, 400 points. And April 14th, ah, that was actually better. We went down. What did we get March 18th? March 18th wasn't good. They expected a point 0.3. February 27th, that wasn't good. So let's see, March 18th. Yeah, went down. So maybe we having another pullback. Yeah, because it was higher. February 27th was another day. PPI number was February 27th, 27th, and then we went down. Hmm. January 30th, another one. Bad PPI numbers. January 30th, went down. Yeah. So, that being said, we might be going down. Given by what we have done historically, we might be down today. Well, this could be the pullback. Tell you what, we're just gonna cancel these sales. We'll just take this hurry below the 200 on the 5 minute. We'll go ahead and take that. We're pulling down. It'll bounce. We'll see how the market reacts versus, because this is pre-market. So maybe I should just wait. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's see how it's struggling to stay above. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I changed my mind. I'm gonna wait until the market opens up 30 minutes. and then we'll see what it does versus gambling. You feel me? Yeah, we could be making a pop up. Go ahead and get one. Boom, play it to the upside to the 200. Boom. It's 20 bucks, 20 bucks, snatching 20 bucks. That's all. All right, stocks 5150, yo. We at 30346 for today. Market ain't even open. Let's go. PPI numbers were crap. Get one more. Go to the upside. We're gonna go to the 48. We'll go to 29.3. 29.3 upside. 29. 14's at 29. What is it? 29,291. All right, see we get at 50 bucks before the market opens up. Mike, Mike can pause, snatch that. What is that? I think that's for, yeah, it'd be 50 bucks. We snatch that, get a little pop up. 887, that's 74, 74. It's like 10, 13 points, not much. Not trying to get rich. 20 points would be 93, well within the range. Let's go. 75, 75, 80, 86. Let's go. Come on. Pop it up and push back. That's all we need. Get above that 200. Struggling. Struggling. Yeah, that's struggling right there. Come back down to the 5 and then get some liquidity and then let's go. But 9 o'clock. All right, let's go. 70, get into 80s. In the 80s, hit 87. Go ahead, snatch that liquidity. Let's go. Get above that 200. There we go. Hey, that boy good. I mean, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I be wanting to quit when I be swinging and they don't go my way, and I'm like, man, ah. But then days like today, I mean, that's $400 made. $400. $400. God is good. Thank you, God. Look at that. Now it's pulling back. Exactly. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't even want to go to sleep. I want to stay up and make some more money. I want to stay up and make some more money. Climb out of this hole that I'm in because I'm in a hole right now. because I was doing some risky stuff. Look at that. I'm down 7,000 year to date. That's not good at all. Not good at all. But it's only halfway through the year. I'll be able to get it back. I'm gonna have to fight to get that though. Look, that's in the hole. I'm gonna have to fight to get that. I'll get it. No problem. That's gonna be a whole short market though. A September contract, yeah. Or just don't worry about it at all. Cause see on the trades it says year to date I'm at 2,000, but my year to date is down 7. Yeah, so it ain't all sunshine and rainbows, but I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping at all. It's number one. We got what 100 and something days left for trading. So if I made 400 $400 a day, I mean I'd be caking. Yeah, look at that. 34, 54, 7, 8. We saw this morning. 288. We saw this morning. 288, 8, 7, 8, 758, 34, 54. All right. Let's see what we got. Are we still running? 883. I think I'm gonna just keep with my 400 for the day and just chill out. How about that? Yeah, that's good money. Yeah, Doji. At Doji, two things. It's either gonna go up or it's gonna go down. They fighting right now. They're fighting at 880 at 82, which is at 200, bouncing, holding on it, trying to cross up or trying to push down. Now, if we get a green, I might go in and we play back to 310. Um, See if we bounce off the 5. If we bounce off this 5 and play back up to like 312. It's getting close to the market open though, so we'll stay out right now. We're just gonna see what happens when the market opens. And it will influence. What are we doing? Nothing. Sitting there, right? Waiting for the market to open. So, probably good I didn't. Oh, wait. Nah. Got us a tweezer. Got us a tweezer. That's not bearish. That's what? Nope, there it is. Didn't hold up. Now if that pushes above that, then I'll play that back to the upside. But kind of getting too close to the market open. I really want to be disciplined. I need to be disciplined and not do anything. So how about that? How about I just sit with on my hands? Sit on my hands. That's what I'll do. Pushing up though. That's the EU volume right there. So this is the PLC.
there it is. There's a hot inflation print, right? So you can mark out that PPI high up there as well if you want 360. It's right into the middle box as well. Right, let's go to ES and we'll start with the try really nice to get play out chips that are found here. Right, we don't have excess at the low down there. This is anything else. It's the same as the higher energy. This is a poor low down excess, which means normally we think about repairing that. It didn't repair it yesterday. All we did is break away from it. So there we go. You try to step you're still inside the same moment. You think about this in ES, all we're doing really, we failed to high, we failed to break these lows, we failed to make excess, and we're doing a giant balances here. So nothing's really stressed.
So we still hadn't pushed up past this. Target is 300 though.
Find the biggest. So we are starting to find the big end chips again. And there's a tell. Come down to the spiders. Right, we were at first.
Let's wait and see.
And so these are the same levels that double up high there, which needs to be repaired just like the lows. Right, here is our box. There's our box. We are in positive gamma. Right, they can hold it down to 735 and 790 to see improvement in the it's 735. Same story as the
8 minutes before the market opens.
build that map yet. Big level down at the gamma. It's just underneath this the object setting out really performing. Imagine if you know ideally they want to hold in here. So ideally 710 rates leads to level ideally, but instead inside of 710 it's been shot up here to create that kind of look there. They don't have the power to hold 710s, so they may be deep below.
Man, everybody be scanning. They scan your stuff and then they like, if you want to fix it, go premium, buy more. Like, bro, just if you found something, just fix it.
Today,
I ain't starting no free trial. I ain't doing shit.
still friends with them. It's dangerous that we do now. That's just the midpoint. Right, right.
Um,
Right. Yeah, nothing position down there.
whatever.
Um,
Whatever.
yes, Aaron.
All right, so it looks like we are creating a bull flag over here. Nope, I'm gonna pull back. 7 minutes before the market opens, so we got 7 minutes before the open. So nothing to do yet. Just hold tight. Hold tight, sit tight.
Then, okay. Thanks. Opening up at 18s, so exactly the same as the day before. That returns this week. Didn't quite get up to 20s. We've got a new we'll see if it fights for the drive. I don't know as that.
I see some huge orders up at 29,800 from yesterday. Let me look and see.
Last week inside its current range, relative strength, slight gap down.
Maybe we can take advantage of that. In case we run up. Maybe we starting to climb.
Nice recovery yesterday from Amazon, slight up the market, failed down into yesterday bid, but forward bid, opening up flat. I mean, it's quite literally no down, 100% of that range. It doesn't pick it up, but the start transactions. 50% on a fee, that came up, integrating anything high, but not flat, inside the range, literally flat. This is really not that basically and that's the what I did yesterday. Alright.
We have these dojis. It wants to go up though. It's trying to get up there. And I'm trying to resist. I got 5 minutes. I don't want to get in it. But we doing what I thought. Look, we pulling back right there to 310. So I could have got that, huh? Yeah.
Right, so there's the bacon shake, and there's a gap up. So if they hold it above this range, 222 is even if they break the gap. they're looking for a upside on Nvidia for a breakdown.
Go get it for 10 points.
So
Let's pull back down. That was a lack of discipline. I couldn't sit still. Like I had to do something.
that's the whole list of upside.
The move already happened. But I'm looking for 10. Not even looking for a lot.
Alright, so yesterday we got that huge sell on this capital out there. There's the big sell, plus 165 at 150, essentially. And 165 is the
4 minutes. I have 4 minutes to market opens. We're just trying to get 10 points.
IMTC upright this morning. Still though,
27. Going to 310. Need 8 points.
inside of the folder, otherwise, I might back out there. NU,
Struggling with that 300.
that looks more time for a breakout.
3 minutes to go. 310. Let's go.
It's cold and it's inside the bank.
Pop it up right there and get out.
Wolf, SQL, PRBS, back inside the area. Alright, so we
Yeah.
something.
Just trying not to give it up.
We look at
Here we go. Let's go. This is it right here. Got some liquidity. Let's go. Push. No matter where it's at, I'm gonna get out when the market starts. Pulling back. Let's get a bounce here. Get a bounce so we can get out.
See, a lot of everything really
So I did a self-analysis. I think I chase these endorphins and stuff, like the feelings that I get when I trade, which is terrible, but you're supposed to be a little emotionalist or controlling your feelings, your emotions. But I like the feeling of being in a trade. Something's happening, anticipation. And none of that is good. Doji, this is bearish. 97, push it down, 95. 2 minutes to the market opens.
hold this level. Run chart there, you do a fail break, okay, back to side again, cut forward, okay.
Maybe we go up to 29.5 today or so.
But really what I think exactly the same level as yesterday. So there is a chance they attempt to squeeze here, I guess, being slammed on their face.
Oh, there we go, pulling back.
And just wonder
1 minute to go.
when they start. But we'll see. That the hours is what I'm watching them right now. Opening up.
So this is not this trade is failing.
A whole lot.
Let's go, push, bounce.
Mr. Patience today.
See now, let's go. We got 1 minute. Market opens. I got a feeling it's gonna dump, and I'm gonna be kicking myself. I'm gonna go ahead and get out.
All right, market opening.
Let's see what market opens. Dump. Get out. All right, I took that loss. Yeah, I wasn't willing to sit in that one. All right, so first 5 minute candle so far, bearish. Looks like, let's see. Oil's at 102. Gas at 360. All right, so we're collapsing, yo. There we go here. So far, just right here in this range on the 15 second. So boom, nothing's happening. Just chop. A lot of chop. I took that loss, cut that loss, so that took me back down to 300 for today. All right, where we at? 257. Chopping. Resistance off to 14. All right, so I put a VWAP on there. Point of control, we're just bouncing right along there. First 5 minute candle. Let's see what the first 5 minute candle.
so it sell back down to the 180 again. And it starts to let go of that. We might get a wash here. So I will see if we reject these here. Okay, 180 is letting go on SOXL. Into the chest of money. So you can see if we can drop that here for a failure. Or not. Or not then.
Still under the 200, so pushing down, lower range, down to the low from the overnight low. Maybe we get a bounce here.
Very, very rare that SOXL. I will take it off for a break above 27s and add back on with the country test.
I ain't gonna short yet. If it breaks it, then maybe I'll go short.
Yes, come back down and lift it.
All right, got a bounce. But I don't trust it till it gets up above here. It's not above at 5. Yep, see, look, right back down.
Sevens, projections, we're really better now though. Going back up. I'm gonna fill the gap, I'd say.
I'm gonna go short.
This big go away until this gap gets done break. Looking for a fill down to 70s now though. Oh my god, MG. Can we just get on with it? Get on with it.
I'll go down to 180.
Yeah, that's some huge lot coming here, 190 and 182s. I need to see this gap fill so I can fix them. More big sense. I mean, be very, very careful. Do not be adding here. They're getting very aggressive without moving lower right now. Very aggressive. It's the 400 lot setup in market size and haven't moved lower. Be very careful. You get squeezed out, be very nasty to the upside because we get really cold in. We need a new lower date for intervening money. Oh my god, some of you asked the most weird questions. I'm not even going to look at chat. I literally told you everything I'm doing, where my stuff is, where I'm looking to cover. We need a pre-market low here on SOXL, otherwise we'll take this here. There you go, those sellers have got forward. They will take this up now if we recover 12 shares as value area low. Without pick up the money. Okay, we get a value area low.
Oh, I'm at 184.
Nice rejection of value area low, very good. Right, we would really like to just fill this gap, alright? I'm looking for a gap for 68 and 62s. I will tell you now, those sellers, 189.
I'll push down.
Very aggressive without moving first halo. That's very low, just above here, at the 12s, right? And then if that gets taken out, it's taken out in the next one. That might be. I'm not going to get aggressive there, taking out. Much of the Alex straight in. Here it comes. Out, make my money, pay out, okay.
All right, back to the upside.
Okay, back upside we go. So like I said, the sellers got all down there. There's huge sellers down there. So what I wanted was a gap fill and move a little bit and think about it. So we're going to lift right up to this next shelf at 50 orders. Well, we have to be very careful. Yes, did everything we need, right? Yes, sweat, low back slow. It's got a high volume though, the gamma gamma in 7305 there. Much weaker down over down in that side. Yes, the 0.15% down NQ. Coming up, or over a quarter of a percent up. Right? Why chips? Why do we watch chips? That's why they failed to take out their low. They published
All right, back at 375, so we got that back.
what the breaks do what it's going to go back to the 85 rates. That's why we have to be aware of how we're moving and what.
Get above this PLC.
Someone was certainly absorbing tape, yeah, there, yes, at 119, 190, yeah. I mean, even if we look at bookmap, it's like what we did play yesterday. Where is yes? Right down here, so this guy setting up, they kept repeatedly saying that he was like stacking up, holding the bid. We moved right back up to his pivot, right, at Q16 as we break.
All right, broke back down on 54, where the PLC is at.
A lot of work to really down here, but I just think this market is going to rotate and rotate and rotate. And if you don't see money take money and you're impatient in this market, I think you're going to get punished. So all you have to do, you have to zoom out on your hourly chart. And rejecting the node up here, you'll probably try and test the 10s and 12s again and see if it keeps those sellers stuck. So value area low. Obviously, I'm out right now. And this is the divergence effect. This is going to make it very, very hard for everybody to and see money take money right. Look at the difference between my day today and my day yesterday so far. Okay, very, very different. Right, about 0 and 50% short of where I was at already yesterday.
Bouncing out the 5. We're going to push back down.
Yes, the trajectory will be up. So it's like the trajectory will be up.
Not in trade at the moment, just waiting.
Yesterday, we played the protection. That was our first time down yesterday. That being flushed out. Played this. Once they recovered this zone, it very good in the ability and I got that. So they're right now, yes, it's 60%.
All right, building up bullish. Let's get one.
Very bad. It is not off first attempt breaking the lower. That was yesterday. This can be use with the loan side into fair value and a bigger entropy self-testing. So it has to be very, very careful. The easier side, honestly.
Nasty work. Hold for the upside.
A bit better. Sellers this morning, something. I think you know that stuff taking out from the
And I probably shouldn't have got in that one. Damn.
that out and get back down.
So gap right there at 170.
That's now filled. Please say accepted something, she's going to go to a box. All right, and that's where it gets in. That's the exit.
Yeah.
And there's not something very, very yourself.
All right, I just wiped out all my games. Hmm.
Jordan's got red off, holding things like that over time, and you're looking at a barrel, you get set inside on it, and write that down. It's very, very tricky to know that there. It's also coming down in like about breaking thing like that. Right, so we're going to watch to see if it goes forward through 160 to 200 if they're willing to sell it. They're not willing to sell it. Look, like, I'll tell you what, yesterday, that 7 euro fine, he tried anything. He got big damage now. Pop ups, they're sold in here. More stuff saying it's like one day fire. He's saying down there that you know that they're going to get there. Very aggressive and mistaken. Still very, very difficult to protect. They are piling them. The essence that knows if you've got the short and the essence, it's been much cleaner. You want to contain yourself here until you die, and then you can get the agreement with buyers. These sellers are piling in right now. It's very, very, very aggressive. It's all to command side benefit, and we're right into the economic value area low here, and we're starting to rotate yesterday plane. Now, if we lose this row box, this will be the target, 900, I will not be in it, it's very accepting up there, but it's 29,000, sorry, you are in this, you've got to find something in here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, we were in it, I mean, just have to ruin it for me. There we go. What happens? Yeah. No, skills, very different. That's what it's about. Yeah. We might get a list here. We're going to have to watch all these areas where they aggressively sell, which are 18s, 34s, 160s, 190s. So I'm more interested in 160, 190s if you can't go and sell it. Lots of you got it? Oh, well done, guys. Well done. Happy. That's also got it. Right, bottom of the grey box. I'm watching to see if we can lift up here and if we sell it. Right, so I'm going to need to see a lift up here and we need to see buyers get stuck. We need to do this move here. Right, if I don't see buyers stuck and they just reclaim, they won't be afraid to come straight back upside. Remember, this is the edge, this is value area low on currently. And DS came right under 7405. You can see if there's a rejection there. And so itself, almost in its gap in quite a different there's no rejection here, there'd be no sell. I want to make that clear. There's no rejection up here, there will be no sell. We're starting to see some buyers into 50s and 60s. Another little entire one interesting. I can see that. Oh, please let me in. Come back up. Please. That was so quick. Please, 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 please. so fast. There was the pop to say it was, but the excess was put on there, right, from 9:49.55. I had 1 second, under 1 second, under 1 second to get involved in that. Protecting the sellers at the low. So you'll see, I still want to see it's really big moving. So
I get out at 29,200.
we're watching previous day value area high and probably up to 80s where those large sellers last night fold. If they reclaim that, this would be a fold of range under the currently value from the real take. Right, don't worry about that. Previous day value area high 96. Are we going to stay inside yesterday's value or are we going to look at the outside yesterday's value? Why do you trade this asset? Nice little rejection of the state value. I've got a slither one up there, right at the state value. Here you go. A slither. If they protect 34s, I will take it off. That's where a big seller last came in. There's a bid at 37. I'm watching 34s, and I stop break even because I'm not going to get my face run over here if they go through it.
Come on, let's go. We need 200. 40 more points. Push a little bit more.
I want us to reply now to validate my trade.
30 more points. Let's go. Push. Come on, bounce.
Thanks for finding out that stuff. That's it. I forget now. That's all right. That's good stuff. Here it goes. So back inside. Oh, back inside pretty state value. If they hold the bid here, they're going to try and squeeze all the way back up. Like I said, it's a seek money, take money environment right now. We are inside range. Inside range.
Let's go. Push.
Close the gap.
Getting tricky here.
So needed to trade sensitivities. It's such super block.
Maybe I take this 300. Hold on. All right, here we go.
Trading the sliders didn't quite get that 75 beneath, but it was there or thereabouts in the standard bit. And we're back above previous day's value now. So they can hold big bids and start walking back up here now. We've done a lot of work.
There we go.
So think about this. This is where we have that 400.
10 more points. 97. Let's get it. 95. Come on. Here we go. 200.
And get an aggressive hit back up here. So we'll look to join this long if they're willing to hold on here.
Come on.
Back up the whole long specifically on because they've done a lot of work.
Let's go. Here we go. Come on.
We won't have a long then, shall we? What's the bet this happens while I'm in straight?
8 points. All we need. Hey. From 19 to 411. What's the 411, baby? What's the 411? Yeah, that worked out. All right, we back at 400 on the day. Right. Good job. Good job.
So this is now I was ready for that. Oh my god, open up please.
So now we got one more trade. We'll probably pop off. We'll get up above this level and go up top. See where we at.
Oh, technology. Okay, it's open. Here we go.
All right, we're gonna go for. We'll see. We gotta stay above the PLC.
Okay, here we go. So there we go. We've got it back open. There's the reflected set, which is take value area high. These sellers now stuck. There's the big buyers coming in. Every protection now 63. Right, you're looking for this trade back up to 47 and 50. So you've got 100-point move here near enough. And if you get over this node, then I think it'll come up biggest big value area high. So that was the trade. C9 take money, but sellers bought underneath these lows now. So everything here is level 90s. Ideally, you want buyers setting 90s now, 90s here, the seller's stuck, and then you can look for this move. I've missed the opportunity there and think about it.
All right, pulling back. What, 76? Keep pull back down to 66. Going back down to previous day value area high, 160.
Yes, rejections, you want to think of bias, so it says the same as that. Very, very negative. I would be somewhat long biased here. Trade company, flat selling, so they're willing to hold this. If they're not willing to hold it, they've got to have a tight stop. They can flush it fast, given the range of effective. So but certainly sellers so I'd say the big sellers come out.
All right, let's see. If this one right here holds and we get back above the 14 and 5, I'll go long back up to 218. If 30 seconds. If not, I'm a hold.
Very, very high. Yes, back. That's big in PS. We'll take from the we are stuck right at that opening range, right? Your 15-minute opening range, right? Your trade value verifier. Very, very tight there. Here they go.
All right, pushing back down.
The problem is right now the buyers are on the tape, but they're just packed all the way down to 137. They're not stepping up like they're talking about. They're just sat lower than right. They look at 35, 37, it's packed out at 55 and 37, they're not moving up there. They're very tight there. It's an interesting level. I would like to see that little flush and then a BB that into that ignition line.
Oh, man.
Incentive there. It's international stuff. They won't want to lose it much more than it. Or they won't be up in the 30s. In the 30s, that they can give up. So look flushed out with 35 and 20 percent. That makes it move. The sellers coming in and trying to do that. So I want to see how we acted today. People respond. Back out.
All right, we're back above. Get that.
Right, I mean, small piece, that's enough for me to see. Small piece in, here we go. Ah, I see your games. All right. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, moving myself up into the money. Let's see if we can get up to 50s. We'll pay myself a little bit because we are in a see money, take money environment. But I'll look to see if we can get up to 50s. My stuff is already in the money. And we'll see. There's someone rebidding here at 88s. Come on. Don't be so pathetic. I don't want to just take a tiny piece and step out of it. I like very hard. Move my stock to 65s. So anywhere. Fives. There.
All right, we're pulling back. Pulling. No, man, this is crazy. That didn't work out. I actually got in the long right there at the PLC. I thought it was going to push up, but it's falling back. All right, let's go back up to the upside. What I'm going for is above the PLC, like right here, like 211, 223. I'll move like boom and then boom.
trying to catch enough sellers here for them to rip back up. It is what they are trying to do. But if you remember, as it's been a lot of liquidity take place and not able to move pricing, and you'll see it come back down. But I will tell you again, the big areas where the sellers are caught, other than where we are now, are 135, 120, and then 180. So you'd want 135 really to hold. Again, I'm not that's
Yeah, the dropping out. Not good. Need a bounce.
but there's aggressive selling one of the
It's coming back down into the area though, 150, 147.
yes, gets going. I think yeah, and the ES already did this move down to the 29,000. Now it came under and over. That's good absorption down there. What did we just hit? 43, not quite 35. I'm still interested.
5 ain't crossed the 14 yet. It kind of got in a little too soon.
Not that got 3 wicks on the 5 minute chart, but it's another big seller there at 170s.
I don't like this. Part of me wants to get out. I feel like we're holding it right here at 150, 160.
That's it. But then they get other low, they start holding the stuff down and just get over it.
Need to push up. Time is 10 o'clock. Ah, man, they're going the other way.
Once it's far at 25, that's still somebody.
I tell you what, though, even if it flushes out, I'm just going to stay in the short for the day. Let's go look, because I'm about to go to sleep. I ain't even worried about this shit.
Still not being
I'm here, which is kind of at the bottom of this range. I mean, we could go down here where we were earlier,
still not being
but this is not a bad move right here. Stay here and go long up to 440, 442. All right, that's the move. We're gonna go play to the upside to 440, 400. Let's see, we're gonna go for 400 on this one. Peter Paul, what up? What up, Jose? Shooting for 400. We're gonna swing for the fence. I'm at 300 at the moment for the day. 440 is what I'm targeting.
finger is on the button.
Adrian. Okay, 440. What did I get? 197. So I need to do 448 was the top. That's the high. So I'll do 440, 447. Keep it even. But we're pulling back. And I'm going for the top. That's a little greedy. 440. Right there. All right. So I got my order in for 444. 29 444. I'm in at 29 197. So we're looking for a top push back up towards the top. 400 will probably hit though. We got some stuff going on, geopolitical, DJT and Elon Musk, all them cats over there in China. I'm I Oil is up a little bit, 103. I feel like what I feel that matter, but maybe they say the war's over once they leave from Xi Jinping. Because China is definitely looking for peace. They the big dogs now. We just turning into little guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. So at any rate, we're pushing back up. I kind of got in, not at the middle, but I mean not in the middle. I got in the middle because we could still push down lower. But you know, two things that happen. I wake up and have $900, or I wake up and have lost $900. Because it could always go back down to here and even here. Yeah. But we could be building liquidity, but we could be building a bear trap.
Otherwise, with front on this, you can get hit in a what? Then they're waiting patiently there. But we are tight, 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 tight.
You can see here it's just chopping, chop, chop, chop.
So itself does not look good. So one there.
Yeah, and I got it in a poor area. Probably gonna drop to be honest with you. Flush out. But even if it flushes out, we got our order to the upside. Remember, we are swinging for 444. 444.
Yeah, and Bitcoin's 1.11% now, Nvidia 1.25% up, Tesla 0.59% up and pushing.
So most things are up today.
But some of these tips did get hit, AMD 2.85% down, etc., etc. So you're seeing SOXL trading near its lower days. You are not.
What's up, Alex? And 11. I appreciate everybody joining in. If you made some money, if you made some money, put a dollar sign in the chat, yo. Made some money this morning, put a dollar sign in the chat. So far, I made $3 signs. I'm shooting for making that 12 if that 9 hits. But I have to log back on and update. Yeah, yay. It's just 10 o'clock. Get ready. This is I'm on the wrong side of this one. It's selling, crashing out. So again, we're pulling back.
Get squeezed out. They probably don't get squeezed out until the base above this node here, the base above one. So I'm trying instruments, but so you must be
So we're pulling back. There it is. Going back down to like probably 2,900. Dance around down there. That's gonna put me in the hole like $400. Yeah.
all right. SOXL now filling these gaps. A new low of day, so we did well to watch that and it being the price. So gap now fills on SOXL. Now if they tank these chip names again, we're coming into a pivot from after hours yesterday. They can find a bid if they lose the bid here in SOXL, we go flushy down to 165. This is a big moment for this market. Are they willing to big chips? What did we say? 20s, 35, 20s, and then
Let me add that to my list. SOXL. See what they got going on. SOXL. So, SOXL.
big markets now. They finally cleared the gap there. And Sky still at the sea up to Reddit.
Say 174.
You say value very
What is it doing?
I'll go at the 170, 180 again if they reclaim it. The big if right now, but that's what they're trying to do.
SOXL's at 174.
If they're back above here, I'll look to get long of them. The sellers are still caught. In fact, more sellers now caught down at 113 on there. So if we break back above here, I'll look to get long. Make that filling.
Oh, this is straight chart not loading. Okay, there it is.
Right, here we go. Come on, push up so I can get involved there. Still not in there. We need a 180 break and hold. Same level as before. They're still rejecting Depop here. I'm waiting for a 180 break hold.
Mm.
Yeah, above this node hold. Same there.
All right, so the gap is filled on stocks from overnight. That gap came back, filled the gap. So maybe looks like we're gonna come down here. That's not gonna be good. The way it's curling over. If we hold this or we bounce here and go back up. And yeah, see, so we are down. Yeah, it's a little too early on this one. We'll see though. We get a pullback. We could pull back right here. This could be the pivot point at 2902, 2900. It's crucial. That's another 100 points down. So that'll put me at like 400 down. But come back, then we'll be running with gold. Super bear trap. Anyway, stocks 5150, yo. I'm gonna sign out. I gotta go to sleep. I'll probably come back on later and we'll see where I'm at. Yeah, time is 10 o'clock. Good luck with your trades today. Hope you made some money. Hope you're smarter than me. I could close it out right now because I'm at 198, 298. $200 is good, but I am really YOLO in this short. There it is. Got us a bounce. Got us a bounce. So see if we're gonna push up and get green on this. What are we gonna do? We're gonna get what up, Eddie? We're gonna get green, push back up and get above this MOC. I mean this PLC, sorry. Get above this PLC and stay above it and push up to that 14 to my 48. Get above that 200. So we got to close this gap where we jump down. Like I said, if everything works out, I'll wake up 900 up. If it doesn't, I'll wake up. Either way, it should be up by the end of the day. All right, yo, stocks 5150, yo. Stocks are crazy. I'm getting ready to go to sleep, yo. I'm out of here. Peace. So lousy. Oh, man. It's coming back, retracing. That's on a 1 minute. Let's look at this. It's above the PLC. Needed to hold and stay above it. I'm just in a shitty position where I'm at on this trade. Is all. All right, let's see if it gets a bounce. Come on, push up, push up. All right, let's see. Are we gonna make our move? Man, this thing is all right, we're pumping, we're pushing now. Let's go. Get back green. Let's go. Let's go. We trying to shoot for 900 today. My target is 444, yo, on some Jay-Z shit. Shooting for 444. 29, 444. 29, 444 is the target. Target. I'm gonna put that in the chat. Target today is 29, 444. That's my target. That should be your target too. Go ahead and go long right now. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Don't do it. I'm not a financial advisor. Do what you want. I don't do nothing but lose money. But I win money all the time. Make money. All right, we'll pull retracing. Let's go. Stay above. Stay above this PLC. We can dance here. That's perfectly okay with me. Push. I don't sleep. I'm not even supposed to be trading because I'm on night shift. All right, retracing again. All right, if we pull back and hold this PLC, we'll be all right. I mean, we're gonna be all right regardless, but we need to push up. So we're pulling back down again. Reckless. All right, let's go. Push. Yeah, we ain't got no short squeeze active yet. All right, let's push up. Get green. Can we do it? Can we do it? Try to get above this 200 level and push. Push, yo. 197, I'm at Poor position, but that's where I was at.
You're saying you need liquidity to get out, but you're ignoring the fact that it's the sellers still having stuff in this market. You're ignoring that.
All right, we're back green. Let's go. 444 is the target, remember? 444 upside.
There you go. Okay. I showed you all that stuff. Probably what I want is how to best do it better than
So now we can push up to 240.
quite a bit. So I said 245, you've got a little node here. So 250, right? Passes 200, 250, and then 285s. God damn it.
All right, cracking a little bit slowly.
Tends to dominate himself. Keeping transaction carefully up here. And it's passive card, so I think they fit instead. Why not Alex? I got the move. I mean, you guys are pretty better traders than me at this setup. Yeah.
All right, we're trying to push up to the top end of the range. That's what we're looking for. Target is 444. Pushing for 200 points.
Days like yesterday, I will be very
We are pushing for 200 points. Can it do it? Sure it can.
but like big W's in chat if you got that. This is what I try and teach you.
All right, I gotta go to bed.
Let's still go and get swiped back. 230s, 250s, and 255s. That's the so we're going to go box to box. Is what I was trying to position for, like we said. Sellers will pull down here. Right now, trying to rate. Wait, stop, please. Wait, confirmation for this move. We have one, two, maybe you can go. These are your TPs, and then up here, right? If you get accepted traders, you can go up there. More sellers are getting pulled here. They're being very aggressive.
All right, let's go. We got to get above 260. We want to get above 260, 280. If we get above 240 and stay above, and then get above 280, 260, 280, then we should be good to go. Let me see and put my
And look at SOXL now, Pantor. I mean, it just stuck around. So it had to close the gap, SOXL. So it had to close the gap. It's coming right back to the box. So here's your TP1 or TPT there. And if you get through there, then you're looking for the 250s, the top side of the range, 255, 285, and 285. So 250s is this node here, and through 250s to 85, and that would be a 100-point banner without.
where's my VWAP? Anchor, anchor, volume, anchor.
Well, like I said, the trading, me and trying to fake half, all I'm doing is reading what's happening. Very, very clear to me. These guys will get me started. That's why we need to break above. The box to box, Lewis Hamilton compete. Now you're looking at 85 runners.
Anchor VWAP, put it on for 930. All right, so volume up. Well, let's look at that.
Why do this for a job? Why does this have a big thing? Well,
All right, we're still running. Still running. It's all good.
the 85 your next team for me use this great box. You're going to be playing yourself. Lewis Hamilton, box. Above 85, it's hammer time, right?
Our target is up here 440, 444. all the way up at the top.
So SXL coming to be like, so it's done a move for 108. So yeah, this is the important thing. I mean, yeah, this is what we have to wait for. The gap has to get filled, which is the yellow line. There we go. The gap got filled. There's the compression, all right, and there's the move back to be there. There you go. And to get to the
All right,
move,
I'm finna go to sleep. Stocks 5150, yo. Peace. I'm out. We up though right now. 600, 198 on this play right here. So let's go. Looking for 444. That's kind of high. No, I should be. It should bring that down to 400.
that's a big jump.
It should bring that down to 400. 400 would be probably more realistic. Let me look and see what that would be. I mean, 400 would.
Yeah, well,
Fuck it. I'm going for 444. Yeah, 400 is right there though. Let me see. Is that?
this is just proof.
If we running, we'll hit 44. Let's go for it. That was yesterday's high. Overnight. Overnight high was 440,
That's
442. Okay, so we'll put this at 440, 439. All right, so 440. 440 is the new high. Yeah, that's what we're gonna go for. Not new high, but that's what we're gonna target. New target. All right, yo, stocks 5150. Like I said, I'll wake up and have some money, or wake up and not have no money. Either way, we gotta stay above this 260 level, 240, 260. We gotta break, stay above that level, and keep climbing. Pulling back, slight pullback. Anyway, stocks 5150, yo. I am out. Peace. Thanks for watching. Peace.